Friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video, we will show you how brick houses are made in India. Let's start the video. Friends, the house that is built here bricks, sand, cement, and ruts are mixed in it. These are laborers who are doing household work, and there is also a mechanic. Friends, the house here is very small. It takes very little money to build a house here. The budget of the house in the village of India is very less. The household budget of a country like America is very high. The budget of the house you are seeing being built in this video is very less. The budget of this house is only 2 lakhs rupees. You can see that the laborers work in the houses that are built in the villages of India. In a country like America, work is done by machine. The houses in countries like America and Canada are made of wood. The houses in the villages of India are made of bricks. They are taking cement and sand together to work. Both these laborers are picking up sand and cement and taking it near the house. This labor is very poor. Both of them get money on daily basis. These workers are mixing cement and sand with water. The woman who is seen sitting is the owner of the house which is being built. You can see that the workers here work something like this. The house that is being built is now half finished. Only three laborers are building this house. For your information, let me tell you that my video will come every Sunday. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe the video.